Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Kinger's door icon from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw a circle on the top left. And then another one below it on the right. Now inside each eye, let's add another circle. And then another one inside the center of each of these. And color both of these in black. And then lastly, let's add another circle on the top left. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's start drawing the shape of the head. Let's start next to the top eye and let's draw a curve over to the right. Then for the end, let's bring it down to the eye and continue it below slightly like this. Then hop over to the left and let's draw another angled curve down. And then connect them at the bottom. Next, around the bottom, let's draw a curve like this. Then hop underneath and let's draw a line down on both sides and a curve across the bottom. Now underneath this one, let's draw another curve around again, but this time bigger. And then one more larger one under here. Now let's move back up to the top and let's draw the top of the head. On top in the center, let's draw a rectangle shape. Then for the bottom corners, let's curve it down on both sides. Now at the top, let's draw a curved oval shape around and back in. And lastly, for the head, let's draw the cross on top. Let's start with 2 diagonal lines up and in. Then angle it out and down from both sides. Bring it up. Angle it back down and in. 2 more angles on top. And then a line across. And that's it for the head. Next, let's draw the circle for the shape of the icon. Let's start on the left next to the eye and let's draw a circular curve all the way down and back up like this. Now that we have the shape of the icon, let's move in and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw a V-shaped point down. Then let's hop up. And from the side of the head, let's draw a curve out and bring it down, and the same on the right. Then from the bottom of both sides, let's curve it downwards. And lastly, from the outside, let's draw another curve down on the left and the right for the shoulders. And that's it for Kinger's door icon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!